Ever wondered what your dog is really thinking?
All right, Max, let's see what's going on in that furry little head.
Finally, a way to tell you what I really want.
Time for a bath.
No, water is evil.
Here's your dinner.
Where is the steak? I know you have it. Activate defense mode. Barking intensifies. By the way, I know where you hide the treats.
Wait, what?
Want to know what your dog is thinking? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI-powered pet fun on Paws and Pixels.